Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ankit, and today I'm going to be talking about the effects of global warming. This is my audience, Dipendra, and the other audience, Vishal. Have you ever wondered why does it get too hot in the summer and why does it get too cold in the winter? Maybe the answer just lies in the way we treat the nature today, and we are not being polite with the nature as it is with us. And today, if we're not polite with the nature is just retaliating its own way. And well, I'm just going to start with the well-known example of all the people living in North Dakota then. Have you ever wondered why is it getting too hot up here in the summer and why does it get too cold in the winters? The North Dakota was not like this. What's happening? And it's not just about North Dakota, it's all about, it's about every country, it's about every state, it's about every city in town. It's happening this way. So what's the reason behind all this? Maybe the answer is just global warming. So what is exactly global warming? The global warming, as the scientists at NASA and the weather department indicates, it's the average increase in the Earth's atmosphere. It's the average increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. So other than this, the global warming is increasing tremendously and depleting the ozone layer. So now what's happening is, it's maybe right now, if it's getting too hot, we can just go inside and we have air conditioners in our offices, we have air conditioners at our home, we have air conditioners in our classrooms, everywhere we go. Maybe in our cars too. So, like if the Earth atmosphere is increasing and the summer is getting too hot, we don't mind it. We can just turn on the AC so nobody's concerned about it. And when it gets too cold, we got the heater everywhere, so nobody is really concerned. But if it's getting too hot and cold, is it not a concern? Like maybe not right now, in the future, it's an indication of something big. The global warming is not a really small issue. It has raised the concern all around the world, and the effects of global warming are horrifying. This is just one of the effects of global warming. Well, when the Earth's atmosphere increases, it melts down all the ice and everything around it. So what happens now? Slowly the ice is melting down and the whole planet is going to be flooded and there won't be any sign of the survival. Not only this, if you see this picture right up here, this whole was an island of ice. It was full of ice. There were penguins, there were so much vegetation up here and everything. But right now, if you see it, there's just water and the ice which is going to be melting pretty soon. Now, if we go ahead, this is another horrifying picture of Earth which is taken up from the sky. And it shows up at some point, the Earth's atmosphere, the temperature has increased so much that it can cause skin cancer and so much other problems. And not only this, all of us very well know that only 7% is the fresh drinking water that we have on this planet. What happens if all of it gets flooded? What happens if we don't have any fresh water to drink? We will just die because of the basic necessity? Well, we can probably save all these effects from happening. How? The answer lies with us. We can, as the interview conducted from Ghazala Amin, a research assistant, she said that she does the basic things like reduce, reuse, and recycle. Whatever the plastic bags and paper and everything she gets, she reduces and recycles and everything. Whenever you go out of the room, you can just simply switch off the lights. That's a very basic thing. You can save electricity from it. You can save money out of it, not just the planet. And the other thing is, most of us love driving, right? Well, we drive it and we don't drive it smartly. Maybe if we are going to the same place, we can pull up and save some gas and then save the planet. We can plant a tree. The plantation of a tree is a very good sign of saving. Well, it produces oxygen, it reduces the temperature of the earth. So these are some of the basic things that we can do and probably save the planet. I hope I got my message across, and we can contribute so much to help the planet. Thank you.